Well, it's the summer garden, and we have just prepared these two beds right here. We're going to be putting in peas right now, beans and peas, several different kinds of beans like green bean type beans, pole beans, and then also some cranberry beans and some butter beans. This over here is Seminole pumpkin, which is a pumpkin that the Seminoles use and it's been here in Florida for a really, really long time. Inside of it is sweet potato, and this is some corn. Oh, this whole bed over here is sweet potatoes, and this is some corn, beautiful Cherokee Eagle corn. We had about 12 stalks, and it was just ready to harvest when the raccoons knocked it down and killed it. That happened. So all of this in the summer we let go to just pumpkins and sweet potatoes, and we'll probably harvest about 400 pumpkins out of here. This is eggplant right here. We didn't plant a lot, but there's two beautiful eggplants on that. Over here is lemon basil, which is delicious. Very wonderful spice. This is lemongrass right here for making lemongrass tea. There's some sunflowers that have already bloomed out and are leaving. There's some sweet onions there. This is what red zinger tea's made. Here's some red okra, just starting here. And then we've got green okra over there on the other side. These right here are green okra. And then this is fennel. And this is hibiscus, roselle hibiscus, and that's what red zinger herb tea is made of. Very sour, sweet and sour kind of tea. We also have on the other side, over here, we come on the outside. These are peppers, pineapples, basil, papayas coming in on the tree up there, sugar cane in the corner, more lemongrass, and then over here we've got bananas. Here's a pineapple ripening right now. This one's ready to harvest. I think we'll have this one tonight. What do you think? Doesn't that look like a good dessert? Oh, that's a beauty. Yum. Nice and golden. Oop, fire ants are starting to get to it. We got it just in time. We'll wash those off.
Hey, Shiloh. Shiloh.
Okay, so let's go feed Squirt.